Look, right now, thousands of first-time buyers in 2026 are getting hit with massive, unexpected costs. This isn't just about the sticker price. It's a hidden financial trap. But wait, how did we even get here? Let's go back to the beginning. The biggest mistake? Not budgeting for the total cost of ownership, or TCO. And yes, I already know what you're gonna say. Everyone focuses on fuel, right? The Chevrolet Onix, for example, averages around 16.7 kilometers per liter. The Renault Kwid is also quite efficient, hitting about 15.7 kilometers per liter in combined cycles. That sounds great, doesn't it? And the Hyundai Grand i10? Around 15.5 kilometers per liter. Solid numbers. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Fuel is just one piece of the puzzle. What about insurance? This is where it gets interesting. Okay, so for new drivers, insurance can be disproportionately high, especially for certain models perceived as higher risk. Many focus on purchase price, forgetting this huge monthly hit. That's Loop B right there, folks. Maintenance is another beast. Scheduled services and unexpected repairs chip away at your wallet. Hot take, but fuel efficiency isn't always the biggest money pit. Maintenance can be way worse. Pause and think about that. Don't just look at the pump price. Mistake number 2, ignoring depreciation. That shiny new car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. That's a huge hidden cost, especially for first-time buyers who might sell sooner than expected. Only 3% of first-time buyers actually calculate TCO, including depreciation. If you're watching this, you're smarter than 97. Mistake number 3, overlooking maintenance records and common issues. Every car has its quirks. The Chevrolet Onix, for example, sometimes has infotainment or minor electrical glitches in earlier models. The Renault Kwid, owners have reported interior noise levels and plastic component quality as concerns. And the Hyundai Grand i10, while reliable, some say its suspension isn't the most robust for rough roads. These aren't deal breakers, but they contribute to your TCO and that insurance trap. Let's close Loop B.
New drivers plus certain models mean crazy insurance rates. That's the deal. It's a huge, unavoidable expense. Pause. This alone can destroy your budget if you're not prepared. Mistake number 4, not test driving enough models. You need to find what feels right for you. I couldn't believe this either. Comfort, visibility, controls, these are personal. Don't compromise just because a deal looks good on paper. Don't at me, but I think skipping a proper test drive is worse than buying the wrong color. What do you guys think? Mistake number 5, rushing the purchase. Salespeople are masters of pressure tactics. Lack of research, feeling hurried, that's how you make bad decisions and miss out on potential savings. There's a secret discount nobody tells you about if you don't rush. That's Loop C, and I'll reveal it soon. Pause. Don't let impatience cost you thousands. So, how do we avoid that initial disaster we saw? It's about combining all these lessons. You need a holistic budget that includes TCO, fuel, insurance, maintenance, and depreciation. Don't just believe what the dealer says. Verify maintenance records and research common issues. Test drive multiple cars. Find your perfect fit, not just a good price. It's an investment after all. And here's the big reveal for Loop A. The main hidden costs are not the car price itself. They're the ongoing expenses you overlook: insurance, maintenance, and especially depreciation. Those are the real budget killers that lead to immediate regret. Plan for them and you'll be golden. If you made it this far, here's the secret data for Loop C. Don't buy at month end. Dealers are under pressure at quarter end or year end for their bonuses. That's when you get better deals. Honestly, so wait for those moments. It can save you hundreds, even thousands. That's a true win. That's the truth nobody tells you about buying your first car in 2026. Like and subscribe if you want more hidden insights.